It was inevitable for Kourtney Kardashian to voice her displeasure that her two elder sons appeared to be turning against Travis Barker, even though they're expressing it in various ways. The Kardashians showed Kourt and her family visiting Australia this week. Travis and his band, Blink-182, had been on tour. Her eldest child, Mason, stayed at home with his father, Scott Disick. Naturally, baby Rocky traveled with Kourt, as did Penelope and Reign. Reign, though, didn't hesitate to say that Kourtney and Travis could require some space from one another. Do the sons of Kourtney Kardashian harbor animosity toward Travis Barker? Kourtney Kardashian declared, "I am in Australia, we made it, and we've been having the best time," making reference to her trip with her children. At least the majority of them. She said, "Travis is traveling to several Australian cities for approximately a week. Having a newborn at home and being on bed rest previously has prevented me from really going anywhere with my other kids. So, I really wanted to stay in Sydney," Kourtney continued. Regarding Australia, one of the hottest topics was the wildlife. Kourt claimed that the spiders in Australia would prevent her from ever relocating there. She becomes nervous since sharks are so common. For the record, Florida is the shark bite capital of the world. Who cares? 1%, we will get bitten. I'll accept the chance. Then Reign made a joke about shark attacks. At 8 years old, he obviously has a terrific sense of humor. Crocodile safety in Australia is more important than the combined risks posed by sharks and spiders. In contrast to those two, crocodiles view people as food. Saltwater crocodiles in Australia are big enough to hunt sharks. Do not feed the salties, please. Rocky, Reign, Penelope, and Kourtney's oldest son did not accompany her. Mason is with his dad at home, Kourt said to the camera. Mason's father is Scott Disick, just like Penelope and Reign's. After that, Kourtney said, "I'm making the most of every second, but this makes me really sad." She made the decision not to inquire as to Mason's reasoning for staying at home. If given the option, a young adolescent would likely make the same decision. Making the best of it, Kourtney kept her eyes on the children in her company. It revealed Reign's sense of humor. He exudes a lively personality. Where does he get his sense of humor from? I wonder. He reminds me of a smaller version of Jim Carrey, Kourtney said to the confessional camera. It's assumed that Carrey's humorous facial expressions are the source of the resemblance. I'm beginning to feel a lot like his dad, Kourt remarked afterwards. It appears like he is beginning to get that sense of humor. Just what we need, I think. This is a professional trip for Travis Barker. His band, Blink-182, hasn't done any foreign tours in a long time. He was only inspired to take to the skies once more by his bond with Kourtney and their opulent Italian nuptials. Travis did, in fact, famously survive a genuine plane disaster. As soon as Kourtney and Travis met, their lips met. And Reign, Kourtney's kid, was not blind to this. "Mom, quit flirting with Travis, dude." While sailing on their opulent boat, Reign cried out. "Did you not recently have a baby? Don't acquire another one so quickly." He's humorous, that's right. Kourtney went on, "I think it's a beautiful thing to see parents be affectionate and loving, especially ones that just had a new baby. That is not inherently flawed. In general, she's not incorrect." Reign questioned, "Are you giving her a hickey now?" as Travis attempted to kiss Kourtney's neck. Travis explained that all he was doing was planting a gentle kiss on Kourtney. Kourtney told her son that she had just been missing her husband. It's unclear if Reign is simply expressing a reasonable dislike for his mother's PDA at this age, or if there's a deeper personal component. It's also unclear whether Mason was trying to avoid going on a long family vacation when he was a teenager. That's the easiest way to put it. However, some viewers surmise that Kourtney's two sons who aren't infants have become antagonistic toward Travis. Their mom's union still requires a lot of adjusting.